Hello everyone, and welcome back to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your default system editor from Nano to Vim. This is especially useful for commands like visudo or crontab that open text files automatically. This process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So Ubuntu has a built-in tool that lets users choose which programs are the default for certain tasks, and we will use the update alternatives command to do so. First, open your terminal by going to the apps menu over here, then terminal. Now inside the terminal, just paste a simple command that you can find in the description box below. So paste it, sudo update alternatives -- config editor, and hit enter. Then enter your password. Now after you press enter, you will see a menu with a list of installed text editors like Nano, Vim, and maybe others. So look at the list. You'll see a column of sections, path and priority. Find the line that says /usr/bin/vim. Now look at the number in the selection column at the far left, usually the 1, 2, 3 number over here, which is 3 in our case. Type that exact number into the prompt at the bottom over here and then hit enter. And now after pressing enter, it should have changed. So now let's test if it worked by opening a sudoers file, which is a crucial file that uses this exact setting. So copy and paste the simple command to test it. Sudo, vsudo, and then enter. Now if the file opens in Vim, you will see lines like tildes on the left-hand side and no menu bar at the bottom. Or you can also see no nano over here in the screen. And there is also a clear indicator, which is the 1,1 at the top, meaning this is a classic status telling you that your cursor is on line 1, column 1 at the top of the file. And that means you have successfully changed it. Now a quick tip for beginners, since you are now using Vim, remember to save and exit. So just simply type :WQ and then hit enter. And that's it. You successfully changed your editor to Vim. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.